वो देश मेरे तेरी शान पसंद के कोई दम है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ दीवाने की जब और सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम कभी याद करे जो ज़माना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल तेरा नाम ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा
What a truly mesmerizing.
To me,
माई से तेरे खौफ आए लहराते सूरज तेरा आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तारों सूरज तेरा हमें तो पुकार लेना बलिदान का गाना हमें बार बार देना ये जो संसार है तेरे सामने क्या है कोई सुरगी प्राण देता है फांसी है माथा माथे पे माटी सजा तुझे माही से
है अगर नहीं तो कैसे चूके हम राज नया गढ़ने में जिसके लिए लड़े उसकी इज्जत करने में। क्या इसीलिए आजाद ने गोली खुद को की, क्या इसीलिए दुश्मन ने फिर आऊंगा कह डाला था, क्या उधम सिंह ने क्रोध को अपने इसीलिए पाला था। जो फूल सूख कर बिखर गया वह फिर से नहीं खिलेगा, जो समय हाथ से निकल गया वह वापस नहीं मिलेगा। यूं देश प्रेम और राष्ट्रवाद के सिर्फ गान नहीं गाओ तुम ए दोस्त, यूं देश प्रेम और राष्ट्रवाद के सिर्फ गान नहीं गाओ तुम, अपने अंदर बसे उस भगत सिंह को जरा जगाओ तुम। और मंजिल दूर नहीं जब राही कर ले अटल इरादा, अपना हाथ उठाकर करो ये वादा। मेरे रहते भूख से कोई नहीं मरेगा, मेरे सामने अन्याय से कोई नहीं डरेगा। मैं पहले उसका जिसकी तत्काल मदद करनी है, अपने आगे हर पीड़ित की हर पीड़ा हल करनी है। शपथ ग्रहण कर गणतंत्र का उत्सव आज मनाते हैं, देश बुलाता है यारो आओ कुछ काम तो इसके आते हैं, कुछ काम तो इसके आते हैं। जय हिंद जय भारत।
Space explorations with missions like Chandrayaan fueling a booming digital economy and fostering unity in our incredible diversity. Our armed forces protect our sovereignty while innovations by youth drive self-reliance, and under initiatives like Atmanirbhar Bharat pledge for tomorrow as responsible citizens. Let us renew our commitment to uphold constitutional values, promoting education, sustainability and inclusivity. Together, we can realize the dream of Viksit Bharat by 2047, where every voice matters and every dream finds wings. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Standards. Attention. Tablets. Right, left, turn. Up. Move forward. Right, turn. Up.
It is about responsibility, integrity, and service. Today, as the outgoing cabinet members step down from their roles, they do so with head held high.
Our Vice Principal, Mr. K. Ignatius.
Flag of head girl will be taken back by our coordinator, Reverend Sister Pauline.
May I request the outgoing sports captain, Mohammad Afan, to step forward. The sash and flag of sports captain will be taken back by Jagdish sir.
May I request the outgoing sports vice captain, Dia Rawat, to step forward. The sash and flag of sports vice captain will be respectfully taken back by Anjali ma'am.
May I request the outgoing discipline captain, Arman Raza, to kindly step forward. The sash and flag of discipline captain will be respectfully taken back by disciplinarian Reverend Father Wenceslas.
May I request the outgoing discipline vice captain, Japnoor Kaur, to kindly step forward. The sash and flag of discipline vice captain will be respectfully taken back by Aradhna ma'am.
May I request Pawan Singhal sir to take the sash and flag from the outgoing Blue House captain Ananya Bansal, and Monica Rora ma'am to take the sash and flag from the outgoing Blue House vice captain Inzila Tawfiq.
May I request Vijay Pathak sir to take the sash and flag from the outgoing Greenhouse captain Kushan Yadav and Anika Jori ma'am to take the sash and flag from outgoing Greenhouse vice captain Umra Fatima.
May I request Rajesh sir to take the sash and flag from the outgoing Red House captain ceremony welcoming the new torchbearers of our institution and a stronger commitment to serve.
We now proceed to the investiture ceremony where the newly elected student leaders will be formally entrusted with badges and sashes, symbols of honor, authority and accountability. May I request our respected dignitaries to kindly present the badges and sashes to the newly appointed cabinet members.
I now invite Vice Principal Mr. K. Ignatius to present the badge and sash to the head boy Aditya Joshi, who will lead by example and uphold the values of discipline, integrity, and responsibility.
I now invite Brother Sister Polly to present the badge and sash to the head girl Shaurya Sharma, who will lead by example and uphold the values of discipline, integrity, and responsibility.
I now invite Ajay Sylvester Sir to confer a badge and sash upon the sports captain of the Sai Ashtana, who will promote teamwork, sportsmanship, and a spirit of healthy competition.
I now invite Anjali Bhatia ma'am to confer badge upon the sports vice captain Hema Thapa, who will promote teamwork, sportsmanship, and a spirit of healthy competition.
I now invite disciplinarian Reverend Father Wenceslas to confer a badge upon the discipline captain Yash, entrusted with maintaining decorum and discipline of the school.
I now invite Seema Valma ma'am to confer badge upon the discipline vice captain Pratigya Sharma, entrusted with maintaining decorum and discipline of the school.
We now move on to the appointment of the house captains, who will lead their respective houses with enthusiasm and initiative.
I now invite Saurabh Chakrabarti sir to confer badge and sash upon Brew House captain Amrit Singh and Ratanjeet ma'am to confer badge upon Brew House vice captain Ishmeet Kaur.
I now invite Rajkumar Sir to confer a badge and sash upon Greenhouse captain Divyan Singh and Ruchita Patakar to confer a badge and sash upon Greenhouse vice captain Ishita Singh.
I now invite Prince Priyadarshi sir to confer badge and sash upon Red House captain Jared Ranjit Charan and Chitra Savant ma'am to confer badge upon Red House vice captain Tanveer Sharma.
I now invite Rajneesh Sir to confer a badge and sash upon Yellow House captain Mohammed Ayan and Dupani ma'am to confer a badge and sash upon Yellow House vice captain Sonakshi Singh.
Dear leaders, these insignia are not ornaments of power, but reminders of your duty to lead with integrity, fairness, and compassion.
Take the oath of office.
May I request our respected Vice Principal Mr. K. Ignatius to kindly administer the oath.
Abhisar Sara, sports captain.
Hema Thapa, sports vice captain.
Yash, discipline captain.
Pratigya Sharma, discipline vice captain.
Amrit Singh, blue house captain.
Ishmeet Kaur, blue house vice captain.
Divyan Singh, greenhouse captain.
Ishita Saxena, greenhouse vice captain.
Seven Benedict Charan, red house captain.
Tanvi Sharma, red house vice captain. Sonakshi Singh, yellow house vice captain.
Mohammad Ayan, yellow house captain.
Promise to do my best to make the right decision and to hold myself accountable to a high standard of integrity, hard work, and commitment to excellence. I promise to do my best to understand and respect my personal responsibilities my freedom of expression, my duty to serve others, and my school, the proper care for properties and the environment in which I share with others. I pledge to do the best of my God-given abilities, to live in peace and harmony with my fellow students at Bishop Conrad Senior Secondary School, always respecting myself, the school management, my teachers, and our traditional values and cultures. So, God help me in this noble cause. Take your flag up. Right, left, turn. Up. Move forward.
And now, dear teachers and my fellow students, we have come to the most awaited moment of today's program, the declaration of the House Champion.
All the houses have shown outstanding enthusiasm, teamwork and true sportsmanship throughout the year. The final results have been carefully compiled and the moment we have all been waiting for is finally here. We will now declare the winners category-wise.
First, the Champions Trophy for Art and Craft. I invite Dipali.
Please receive the trophy from respected Vice Principal Sir and Reverend Sister Pauline. Congratulations, Yellow House. (2026-27). And I also declare the newly elected student council members to be functional from today onwards. Reverend fathers, reverend sisters, dear devoted teachers and my dear resilient students, wish you all fulfilling good morning. Today we gather with immense pride and patriotic spirit to celebrate the Republic Day of India, a day that holds a special place in the heart of every Indian. On this historic day, 26 January 1950, our nation adopted its constitution and formally became a sovereign democratic republic. Republic Day reminds us that India is not merely a land of great heritage, but a nation governed by the rule of law, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Constitution gives us our rights, but more importantly, it reminds us of our duties as responsible citizens. As students, this day calls upon you to respect democratic values, uphold discipline, and contribute positively to society and the nation. A republic thrives when its citizens are aware, responsible, and ethical. In a school environment, these values translate into leadership, integrity, teamwork, and service. This brings me to the second important part of today's program, the investiture ceremony. The investiture ceremony is not merely a formal event, it is the symbolic transfer of responsibility and trust. The newly elected school cabinet represents the spirit of leadership, service, and accountability. Dear cabinet members, the badges you wear today are not ornaments of power, but symbols of duty. You are expected to lead by example, uphold discipline, support your peers, and work in harmony with teachers and school authorities. Remember, true leadership lies in service, humility, and commitment. At this moment, I would also like to place on record our deep appreciation for the outgoing cabinet members. You have served the school with sincerity, dedication, and responsibility. Through your efforts, you have upheld the values of our institution and set high standards for others to follow. Your contribution, whether in academics, discipline, cultural activities, or student welfare, will always be remembered. We thank you for your leadership, cooperation, and hard work, and we wish you great success in all your future endeavors. Dear students, Republic Day teaches us that leadership begins with responsibility and ends with service. Whether as cabinet members or as disciplined students, each one of you has a role to play in building a strong school and eventually a strong nation. On this proud occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of our Constitution and pledge to be honest, disciplined, and compassionate citizens of India. Jai Hind. Thank you and have a wonderful Republic Day.